Hill 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe. Good day, pageant lovers. We would like to congratulate Miss International Queen Philippines Organization dahil patuloy tayong nangingibabaw sa Miss International Queen, kung saan simula 2022 nang manalo si Fuchsia Ann Ravena bilang Miss International Queen 2022. Next up, top 6 naman si Lars Pacheco noong 2023. At talaga namang pinakita ng ating mga reyna ang kanilang galing at pagiging palaban para sa international stage. Kaya naman muli, congratulations, and of course, lalo tigit sa ating 2024 finalists from the Philippines na walang iba kundi si Sophia Nicole Arcangel na nakakuha ng top 6 finalists again in the same competition. Kaya naman we are looking forward that next year ay muli makuha na natin ang corona para sa Pilipinas ng Miss International Queen. Once again, congratulations and just keep on moving.